So we've got the Teo parts all stripped down pretty good. Just kind of scuffed up the paint with some Scotch-Brite. We've also studded this rear tire really aggressively. We're going to be adding some little studs to the edges and to the front tire. Smaller studs, not as aggressive as this. This is just so we can hook up. We're going to be painting a really special anodized color. You guys will find out. This is all going to be kind of color matched. We got like a color scheme we're going for. It's going to look pretty funky.
We got the exhaust hanging there too. We're going to redo.
Yeah, also going to redo the exhaust pipe here. Give that another fresh coat. And then from there, we're also going to be doing some refreshing to the motor. I do have a new carburetor. I think I might just throw it on. We're just going to kind of clean this up. We've got some special stuff planned for the seat and the fairings. And then, yeah, so we're basically just going to finish prepping the frame. And then from there, we're smooth sailing and we're going to start freaking laying down some paint.
Rock on.
All right, Liam, start the spray. This is actually the base coat, and we're gonna be painting all these parts. What is that? An anodized color. So these are all gonna be being painted anodized blue. All these parts, and then the cover and the frame are gonna be painted anodized purple. So yeah, we're gonna start laying down some paint now. We have finished painting the frame, and it looks really good. Really spectacular. And the brake pedal, the gas tank, it also looks really good. And the swing arm. So it's kind of like a concoction of all sorts of different colors going on here, which is really nice. Super impressed. Liam was painting blue. Do you have your mask there? Yeah, Liam was the one doing the blue painting, and I was the one doing the purple painting. It's kind of funny, but yeah. Liam did a really good job. The purple one turned out really nice too. Super happy. A little darker. I would say the purple was a little darker than we were expecting, and the blue was actually a little brighter than we were expecting. Do you agree, Liam?
Yeah, it looks good though. I would not.
It looks so good. And this thing is gonna look freaking bumping when we get it all together. Like, I just think with these studded tires on it. This bike was free. It was actually given to me by someone that crashed it. They got it for their kid, and then their kid crashed it really hard. Never wanted to ride it again. And it's been nothing but good. It starts up when it's minus 20 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And just never misses a beat. We also freshened up the motor here. Yeah, that looks super minty. All these parts look super minty. The exhaust looks super nice too. But yeah, that's it. And then in the next video, we will finish studding these tires. And then really, we just assemble it and we drive.
Yeah.
That's it. That'll be the next video. So, thanks for watching. Mother.